Living in a small town. I was born in a small town called Greencastle, unfamiliar to all others who do not live there. People who live there are known to stay there their whole lives. When I was a teenager, I imagined the day that I would move away from the town. My friends and family knew that I was always looking for more. Fun facts of Greencastle. People do not typically lock their doors. The main gas station has men who pump your gas for you. Majority of the town goes to church. They even notice if you aren't there. We did not get our first sheets until I was in high school. We got our first Burger King this year. There is only one school district. Our grocery store is owned by local Mennonites. You have to drive 30+ minutes to find entertainment. You know everyone who lives in the town. If you don't, you know their family members. My family is tiny. My parents, my brother, and I. That is all the direct family I have left, so I cherish every moment with them. I've had the same friends since birth. I'm dating my high school sweetheart. I've worked at the local child care center since 2013 as a teacher and admin's assistant. I graduated with my Arts of Teaching and my Associates of Applied Science. Now I'm finally here to finish my dual education degree at Salisbury University. I could not wait for the day that I could move away, but this town makes me who I am today. Living in this town made me understand and accept my identity and my roots, and now I plan on moving back and working in the same school district that I attended.